Hello students, today we see the similar triangles. In architecture field, we can see a sketch of figure to build the original buildings. Using this similar concept, we are making like Taj Mahal toys and more. So, we should know about similar triangle construction. In this class, we draw it as per the basic proportional line parallel to one side. This side parallelly, I draw a straight line. This line divides the triangle in the same ratio. This ratio in the same ratio. So, AD, when we name it, AD by DC equal to AE by EB. This is the basic proportionality theorem. A straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides divides the sides in the same ratio. See two types of quotients. So this quotient scale factor 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the proper fraction. This is less than 1. 4 is less than the denominator. So less than 1. So you draw the small triangle. This case, what is our numerator 7? So 7 is greater than the denominator 3. So this is greater than the 1. Two types of questions we draw it. We draw the 4 by 5 similar triangle. First we draw rough diagram and name it. What is the triangle ABC name? So ABC you name it. And you draw the similar triangle to this portion, this side. So this side you draw a similar parallel line. So this is A dash similar, this is C dash similar. So approximately you draw a triangle, approximate, approximately any, and you name it A, B, C. So acute, like a acute angle, you draw a line from B. From B, you draw a line in downside. So approximately, you divide 5 equal parts. So approximately, you take a arc, 5 arc. So 5 portion you need. So from B, 5 arc you draw it. 1 arc, 2 arc, 3 arc, 4 arc, 5 1, and name it. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. So Q5 is our original triangle. You joined original triangle. This like the one side, AC side. This is like our AC side. So this side we parallelly draw fourth division. So fourth division, from fourth division we draw a parallel line. So parallel line, what is our concept? Corresponding angles are equal. So this angle equally we draw fourth division. So we make a approximate arc angle for making the equal angle. So approximately you draw a arc. The same arc you draw the fourth division also. Same arc you draw. And you adjust what is the original angle, you adjust it. So that arc you cut it. The two arc intersecting at a point, you mark this point and this point, you join at a line. This line intersecting one point in our base. So this is our required portion, required ratio. So from this portion, the same concept we use, this parallel line we want to draw. So approximately you draw a arc same arc you draw this portion and adjust what's the original angle at the same angle intersecting our original arc. So here you have a point and you join these 2 points, you will get the parallel line. This is our parallel line. So this is corresponding A dash, this is corresponding C dash. Draw the 7/3 similar triangle. So you name a triangle, you draw it and you name PQR. So this side you parallelly draw a triangle. So 7 is greater than 1. So it's a bigger one. So in outside you write it. This is the corresponding P dash, this is corresponding R dash. Approximately you draw a triangle. So small in size you draw triangle first and you name it PQR. So PQR. Acute angle, approximately from Q you draw a line. From Q you draw a line in downside. So approximately we draw arc. How many arc? 7 arc we draw. First three divisions only we have. So first approximate angle arc you draw it. 7 arc we need. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3. Our original division 3 only. So you joined our original triangle Q3. We want to parallel this line at 7th division. So equal, that the same equal arc you draw. 7 arc you need. So 3, this is the 4th arc and 5th arc, 6th one and 7th one. So Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Here you draw the parallel line. So how we draw the parallel line? Corresponding angles are equal. So here you draw the angle. So here approximately you draw a angle arc you draw it. Approximate, any approximate angle you draw it. So same, you don't change, you draw at Q7. Q7 you draw the same arc. So from what is the original angle you adjust, what is the original angle you adjust, at the same angle you draw, you intersect the first one. So here you get a point. This point and this point you join and you draw a line. Draw a line. This line will meet our base. What is our base? QR is our base. So you extend the QR at a point, this point. So from this point you draw the same parallel line. From this line parallelly you draw. So here angle corresponding angles are equal. So angle arc you draw from R. From R approximately angle arc you draw it at the same arc, you don't change. Approximately angle arc you draw at the same arc, you draw the new point. Don't change it. And what is the original angle? A small change. So that angle you intersecting arc. So here you have a point, this point and this point, you draw a line. And this line intersecting at the PQ side at a point. That is our required parallel line. So this is P dash, this is parallel line, this is R dash. This is our required 7 by 3 similar triangle.